So hi friends, hello. So I'm currently filming a study with me vlog, which I'm very excited about. It will be up on my channel, char. So I'm very excited for this one because I'm actually using K-pop piano songs, which will be featuring BTS, Twice, Blackpink, and etc. You know, the real kings and queens of K-pop. 17 also icon. Just check it out. Here is my setup. What is actually in front of me or around me while I study. So this is not your ordinary aesthetic video wherein I have clean tables or I have very aesthetically pleasing, very organized sticky notes. So here is my bed, which is near my desk, which is a very bad idea because just one glance and I will be very ready to convince myself that I have to sleep. Here you can see it's my accountancy book. Very organized. Yes, I always have my water bottle with me whenever I study. Here's just a random power bank that I use, the camera that I'm using to film my study vlogs. My phone, I downloaded an app. I forgot the name. I just downloaded it today. It's a LCD timer, study timer. You know what? I'll search it later. And here is my desk. It's not organized because I'm just not the most organized person. I have no plans of doing this video, but I'm taking a break because it's been 7 hours since I started studying. I started around 12:20 and now it's 7 o'clock and I'm still halfway through my accountancy topics. I'm currently preparing for my online class, which will be on, I have a lot of calendars, on 13 if I'm right. Oh my god, I'm such a good student. I'm currently bored, so let me just film. I've been studying for almost 8 hours, so I need to refresh myself, talk to nobody really. So here is my laptop, very cute, Disney princess. Yes, these are my favorite highlighters that I use in school. I have a lot of colors. I have blue, orange, violet, and etc. I'm so lazy. I don't want to get it and organize it again. I actually have 3 calculators. That's 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Because I'm very indecisive. One of these calculators are from my friend Alexa Gulfan. I forgot to return. I'll do that when we meet each other. Someday, if this will be over, this pandemic will be over. I also have this very useless mouse, a Bluetooth mouse, and I don't know, I lost the one that you connect to your laptop so that you can use it. Anyways, I also have a speaker because sometimes I blast music while I study. Here I have it. Oh my god. Wait. Okay. I also have here a Polaroid which my close friend Tina gave me on my 18th birthday. Then I have ink for my printers. Look at this pencil case. This proves that I use this a lot. And look, it's Cinderella. I'm obsessed with this name. So it's very old, very dirty. It's either I use it a lot or I'm just really messy. I'm uploading a 2 hours study with me video. Yes. And then I also have this whiteboard that I don't really use that much. And look, it's also dirty. This is the reality. I don't have time for that. I will not talk and you listen for 5 seconds. So that is a proof that it's very noisy whenever I study. Very noisy. Sometimes I have my dogs barking because my room is very near their cage. Then my family watching TV in the living room, which I cannot blame them. I mean, come on. I rather have them watch TV in our living room than bother me while studying. What else? Oh my god, I better go back to studying because I literally have 2 brain cells left And if I do not finish this, then I don't know. It's August 8th. Oh my god, August. It's August 10 already, di ay. So it's August August 10 and my class starts on 13 or 12. Again, I will check on that later. I have to review, I have to read in advance, and I have to finish this. It's at 29 minutes already, and I've been studying for almost 8 hours. And I'm still gonna edit that. And I'm gonna feel this. You know what? I'm just procrastinating. Goodbye.